Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm dealing with a project that's been on my radar for some time. After dealing with the aftermath of a troublesome tenant, I'm finally reinstalling the screens on this beautiful home's porch right here in Petersburg, Virginia. My first step was to remove what was left of the old metal screens, the damaged wood moldings, and the remnants of those pesky copper nails. It was a bit of a challenge, but with determination and the right tools, I managed to clear the porch's skeletal frame completely. With the old components out of the way, I was left with a skeletal frame that needed some care. The wood had some pits from the removed nails and staples. I decided to reinforce the frame by filling those holes with liquid nails. This not only gave the wood a smoother finish, but also strengthened the frame. Once the frame was smooth and strong, it was time to give it a fresh new look. I chose Sherwin-Williams high gloss exterior paint for a durable and elegant finish. After a few coats of paint, the frame was looking as good as new. Now came the exciting part, reinstalling the metal screens. These screens not only keep bugs out, but also add a cozy charm to the porch. I carefully aligned each screen and secured them in place with my staple gun, making sure they were tight and perfectly fitted. To finish off the project, I needed to add new PVC moldings around the edges of the screens. This not only enhances the look, but also provides extra support. I then brought the pre-cut pieces back to the home to reinstall them on the screen porch. And there you have it. My screen porch is not only functional again, but it also looks better than ever. It's been quite the journey from dealing with the aftermath of a difficult tenant to restoring the beauty of this porch. Remember, with the right tools, a bit of elbow grease, and some determination, you can bring new life to any space. Thanks for joining me on this restoration adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I would like to thank my star supporters. Until next time, happy renovating.